Hi, we're Kent and Pam Temple.
Welcome to Real Talk with the Temple team.
Today we're doing a how-to on landscaping your yard. Whether you're a do-it-yourselfer or plan to hire someone else to handle the labor, these tips will help you get started.
Planning is key. Landscaping is about more than just putting a few plants in the yard. It's about the total picture people see when they drive by or visit your home.
Yes, but before you start, map out your ideas. The end result will be worth it. Consider which plants grow best in your area, whether they like sun, shade, or partial shade, how high each plant will grow, and how far apart you should plant them. The internet, your local garden center, or a plant nursery are great places to do research when developing your landscaping plan.
Another thing to think about while planning a landscape is the seasons. If you look at blooming times, you can arrange your flowers to give you a revolving cycle of color. In the fall, there are plants and shrubs with vibrant leaf colors and evergreen shrubs that can keep your landscape from looking dead and brown in the winter.
Maintaining your lawn well will enhance your landscaping. This includes mowing, fertilizing, aerating, and reseeding as needed. If you have trouble getting a lawn to grow, consult with a local lawn company to see what grass will grow best for your location and your soil type.
Yet remember, not all landscaping has to include a large lawn. Sections of the yard with flower beds, pine straw, mulch, rocks, or low-growing ground cover plants can utilize to fill some of the space while enhancing the beauty of your yard.
Consider privacy while planning your landscape. For a buffer between you and your neighbors, a hedge can be used as a privacy screen or natural divider. Fences can also enhance both your privacy and the look of your landscape. Just don't forget to check on HOA rules before adding a fence to your plan if you live in a neighborhood with restrictions.
Once you have finished planning your landscape, it can be enhanced with non-plant elements. Things that you might consider adding are yard art and lawn furniture. Depending on your needs, it's important not to overdo it though. You don't want to overpower your beautiful new landscape.
Lighting is also a great way to enhance your landscape to enjoy it both night and day. Solar lights are an easy way to line and light pathways. Brighter lights can be aimed at standout features, centerpieces, and even the home itself. Try to achieve balance when using brighter lights.
For patios and decks, string lights with warm tone bulbs are a great strategy. The right lighting can completely transform your space, giving you a magical and cozy atmosphere while enjoying your yard or entertaining in the evenings.
We hope you've enjoyed our landscaping how-to. This is a great way to enhance your curb appeal and the value of your home. For a complimentary evaluation of your home's value, give us a call at 704-235-3000 or email us at info@thetempleteam.com.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.
For our home to yours.
See you soon.